Hello, guys. Good evening, good morning, whatever time it is right now. I didn't even look at the time, so I'm here to make a lunch, as I say, salt fish, lentils, pumpkin, and some dumplings. So we're gonna see how it turns out. All right, guys. But I'll start it like this. This is salt fish. You gotta take out the salt of the salt fish first, so that your food won't be salty. Yes, guys, so that lentils on fire. I did not look electric today because I did some clean up. Don't want to face the stove. My lentils there. This. Guys. Remember South by taking Xanax out your bird. We was high, love on our mind. Happy vibes, those fucking that bitch from the back as we speak. You don't like me, that shit complete. Without you here, my life's incomplete. I tell you to stay, you say you gon' leave. I try to book your ticket, you take